I'm just going to be showing you how to use most of the basic things in Gravitrax. So let's get started. First, we'll use this hole. So the marble will go in here. Let's get started. It works. I'm basically just going to roll the marble down it. Okay, here we go. So, when you use this one, you just want the marble to roll down and it goes right in here. Now usually, you'd be using it up on one of these as your starting point. So you'd have it like this. So you'd have it more like this. And it would drop down and onto the landing pad. So that's how to use the first one. Okay, now let's start with this one. This one is just used to switch two tracks. When you roll a marble down it, it goes one way and switches the track. When you roll a marble down it, it goes the other way. Now, I suggest if you have a track that intersects back, you put it one way, you put it a certain way so the marbles don't hit each other. So the first marble needs to go on the shorter one. Like, say this is the shorter path and it intersects back, it'd go like that. Then another marble would come down and have to go on a longer one. Okay, there's that one. Let's get on to the third one. This one is a landing pad. This one is the finish pad. So this is going to be your end for all marble tracks. When using this one, I suggest making the marble get slower, otherwise it'll go too fast and bounce out, or go out another one of these. And if you end up having it fast, remove the green piece from it, and it'll make it deeper. Okay, for this one, this is another end point. So the marble, say, would just come here. The marble would just come down and right in there. This one is the whirlpool. This would really be up on one of these again. So it'd go like this. But this one, oops. I can't get it to work. This one is a whirlpool. So it goes around in a circle. This is where you would have three marbles. You would have them set up like this, and you'd have one come down. So like you'd use like the whirlpool, say, and it'd come down, and you really make it land right there, and it'd make all three of the marbles go in different directions. This would be your start point. So, this would be your start point. You would have, come here. You'd have three marbles, and then you'd push it. If you push this down, they all go off in different directions. This is the final one. If you put two marbles on here, and if another marble hit this, it launches this marble off. So like this. And that's all.